Lip scrubs are very important for removing the top layer of dry, cracked lips to reveal the glowing underlayer of the skin. Also, exfoliating your lips can help eliminate some of the dry, flaking skin that builds up and immediately restore some shine, softness, and smoothness. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! So first thing we're going to be needing is sugar, and I'm going to be using white sugar, but you can use brown sugar. And then you're gonna be needing some carrier oil. I'm gonna go with extra virgin olive oil, but also you can use any carrier oil of your choice. Some lemon, because we're going to be using lemon juice. You're also going to be needing some mixing bowl. Now go ahead, add some sugar into your mixing bowl. You can add some ingredients depending on how much quantity you want to make. The exfoliating agent in lip scrubs is usually sugar. Sugar is extremely gently on delicate skin, yet effective at exfoliating flaky cells. Adding some oil. This will nourish and soften the skin, giving it a natural shine. Lemon is a natural bleaching agent that helps in lightening the lips. Squeeze your lemon and add some lemon juice. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to click on that notification bell button so that every time I upload new videos, you don't miss out. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Get a separate container and transfer your lip scrub into it. You can use this scrub like 3 times a week. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Here is another video where I made a lip scrub by using brown sugar, so don't forget to check it out. Bye bye.